Hello everyone, welcome to Istio. In this video we're gonna show you how to open Microsoft ID in 2024. First of all, you need to open microsoft.com. then you can see this option, sign in and create a free account. So let's start by clicking create free account. Okay, now you need to choose your email. So I'm choosing my email address. Okay, I'm choosing hotmail.com. Also you can choose outlook.com as you wish. So I'm choosing hotmail.com. Then click next. Okay, now you need to put your password. Put your password with capital, small, symbolic and number, so it will be authentic and strong for your mail. Okay, now put your name. Look, there is an option for country and region. Select your country from where you are opening your mail ID, Microsoft mail ID. I'm selecting country Bangladesh because I'm opening this mail site for people from Bangladesh. Then click next. Now it's very important part, you need to complete a captcha. Look at the direction, you need to set this plane direction as same the finger direction. Now the show direction. You have to complete 5 of this captcha. So be careful when you are filling this captcha. Yeah, it's done. I successfully completed the captcha. Okay, my Microsoft ID is ready, so this is the interface of my email. Okay, for safety reason you can add your phone number. So if you add your phone number, your email ID or your Microsoft ID would be much secure. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you will like upcoming content. So hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Thank you. Goodbye.